What's up, guys? This is Linus the Taiwanese who teach Chinese online. After learning Chinese for a while, you are no longer a total beginner and should have acquired a foundation in Chinese. Therefore, it's time for you to challenge yourself a bit more and move to the next level. This video will give you some guidance and help you continue your Chinese learning journey as an intermediate learner.
Number 1. 增加你的词汇量 Expand your vocabulary.
Focus on expanding your vocabulary beyond basic words and phrases. Learn new words related to specific topics or areas of interest. Use flashcards or language learning apps to practice and review new vocabulary regularly.
Number 2. 练习听力 Practice listening skills.
Listen to native speakers through podcasts, movies, TV shows, YouTube channels, or music in Chinese and pay attention to pronunciation, tones, intonation, and the flow of speech. This will help you improve your comprehension and train your ear to understand native speakers more easily. What's more, if you find someone with a way of speaking that you really like, you can even put more effort on imitating them.
Number 3. 有机会就说中文 Speak Chinese whenever you have a chance.
Besides having class with professional teachers, you must seek opportunities to have conversations in Chinese as well. Find language exchange partners, join language meetup groups, or participate in online Chinese learning communities. Engaging in conversations will improve your speaking skills, boost your confidence, and receive valuable feedback from native speakers.
Number 4. 阅读正式的文章 Read authentic material.
Start reading books, newspapers, articles, and blogs in Chinese. Choose material that matches your proficiency level and gradually challenge yourself with more complex tests. Reading will expose you to different sentence structures, vocabulary usage, and cultural nuances. Also, take a note whenever you see something new or interesting. You never know when you will need them.
Number 5. 定期写作 Write regularly.
Besides practicing writing Chinese characters, you now should also practice writing in Chinese to improve your grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structures. Start with short paragraphs or journal entries, and gradually increase the length and complexity of your writing. On the other hand, transcribing the articles that you like is also a good practice. Remember that consistency and persistence are key to language learning. Practice regularly, set achievable goals, and be patient with yourself. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below. If you like my content, make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. Your support means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye!